Microsoft Office Student, difference between MS Office and Student version. The primary difference between the Microsoft Office Student and also the Professional Suite is the applications that they feature. Both have basic applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, as well as OneNote. But Pupil doesn't have the Outlook, gain access to, and publisher applications that you would certainly or else find in the Professional. Microsoft Office Student collection of efficiency applications comes in a range of bundles or collections. One of the collections is indicated for students. The major difference between the Trainee collection as well as the Professional Suite is the applications that they include. Both have standard applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote. The student does not have expectations, gain access to, and also author while Professional does. The student is a great deal less costly than an expert. Professional consists of 1 year of technical support while Pupil just has 90 days. Both Microsoft Office Student, as well as Expert Edition, provides what is needed for its ideal customers satisfying their objectives. A person has to select according to what is their single purpose and purpose that they are anticipating attaining. If a specific needs the basic applications, then the Pupil version is missing likely to be a satisfactory one. On the other hand, if that person is working at a company, after that an expert version is best to opt for. About Microsoft Office Student Certification. Having the reputation of a Microsoft Office Student accreditation confirms your capabilities to stay present and do in job roles for a contemporary electronic organization. 91% of certified technical experts believe that the initiative employees took into obtaining brand new skills strongly adds to their success. Qualification in MS Office is not simply to reveal potential companies that a person knows how to make use of Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, or Microsoft Outlook. It shows the degree of effectiveness one has with the tool and exactly how they are experts in the location. Significance of Microsoft Office Student Training in 2021. Microsoft qualification is based on industry-defined functions as well as on the skills needed to execute those functions. That's what makes Microsoft qualification so important. It demonstrates that you're proficient in the particular, real-world abilities related to recognized sector roles. Microsoft Office Student Training can give you the self-confidence to utilize the tools you are provided. Having your MS workplace skills professionally educated significantly boosts your work effectiveness as well as confidence, which will certainly likewise bring you a sense of job fulfillment at the workplace. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for Microsoft Office student training in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best Microsoft Office training. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for Microsoft Office training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/